Tigrinya Alphabet Fidel. In this chapter, we will study the Te group. We will learn the letters
Te, Che, Ke, Re.
The Te belongs to the one-leg groups. Please note how we put the marks.
Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Te, Tkhli. Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Che, Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, Ch, Cho. Ke, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko. Re, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, Re, Ko. Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Che, Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, Ch, Cho. Ke, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko. Re, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko.
Let's read some more words. First, we will read the numerate step, then the reading step, and finally the meaning of the word.
Biet, Biet.
House.
Geza, Geza.
Home or house.
Kushine, Kushine.
Kitchen.
Salone, Salon.
Living room.
Shinti, Biet, Shinti, Biet.
Toilet.
Follow the channel. Collect the lessons. That way you won't miss any.